Pick one or two strong colors that can give your application or brand a personality. So something like Facebook, which is blue. Something like also four colors that people Google is using. So that is also, I mean, why Google is using four different colors to communicate diversity, right? So sometimes one color is not enough, right? But they are using it very, very minimally and very, very cleanly. So there is no ambiguity. The complementary colors are basically all the grays that you are using. So here, if you see in mail, this is complementary, the line is complementary, this line is complementary, these are complementary, this is complementary, the icon color is complementary. These are all complementary, supporting the content. Ascent colors are these, right? So different statuses, good status, not that good status, bad status, neutral status, and things like that.